In this video, I will be showing you how to back up and download email in your webmail. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into Cpanel with Cpanel username and password, which will bring you to the Cpanel settings page. In Cpanel settings page, you need to click Email Account option under Email section. Here, in this page, you will find all the webmail accounts set up in Cpanel. Select the email account and click the Check Mail button. In the webmail account dashboard, to back up the email, you need to select the email in the Inbox section. And next, select the More option in the top bar. From the list of options in the menu, click the Export tab. And done, the email from the webmail account has been backed up and downloaded into the computer. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.